Very nice 1998 26-foot Catamaran on a tri-axle trailer. Matanza means slaughter. Bulletproof 130 Hondas run very well. Great on gas. With 800 hours on them. Well taken care of. Extra live well on the back, large. Bimini top in good condition. All the electronics that you could ever need. Great stereo with 1500 watt booster. Sonar, autopilot, cuddy cabin. Lots of room to walk around and for equipment. New tires all the way around. $3,000 recently put in the reinforcement of the trailer. Stain proof, mold resistant carpeting recently installed in the back. 30-gallon live well center. Clarion stereo with every connection you can imagine. Still has all the original working equipment. Upholstery in very nice condition. Speakers throughout. Has blue inside lights. Has underwater lights. LED streamers. Very big 200-gallon fish boxes. Lots of storage. Two big anchors, all kinds of rope. Frog comes free. Lots of cool graphics. A lot of rocket launchers all the way around. A 12-inch base that goes into the cuddy cabin. Give it a great sound. Three good batteries, easy access. Could put a porta potty in there if desired. This boat has recently had the bottom gel, recent high dollar gel coat. And thousands of dollars in electronics equipment. Boat was previously owned by someone on Ono Island, and they didn't spare any cost investing in it. I am looking for a serious cash offer for the $40,000 that I have invested in it. Similar boats easily go for a lot more and don't even look as nice as this one. So give me a call or text if you're seriously interested. I'm 5 minutes from the water. For a serious person, I'll take them out on a test drive. Call Bobby, 251-721-4624.